These ruins aren't as big and impressive as those on the mainland, but the park still makes for a fascinating cultural and historical experience. During the post-classic period, 1200 to 1530, it became the biggest and most important site in the island of Cozumel.
Couple friends, shoulder by shoulder, like kindergarten, right? 2 by 2 friends. Let me count. In the place on the way out.
Oh yeah.
Take a look around on the way back. That this is one of the most important places in the whole Mayan area, because all the Mayas should come here to this place at least once in a lifetime. They should come here to worship one goddess named Ixchel, I-X-C-H-E-L. Ixchel was considered for the Maya like the moon goddess, goddess of love, moon, fertility, medicine, embroidery, pregnancy, I mean everything about women. That's why especially women should come here very, very young. She passed 7 days on this place, but the first day, the first 24 hours inside of the temple in the back, the small temple. That's the purification temple. She stayed 24 hours inside without food and without water. You know, for fasting, cleansing, just for the ladies. For the guy was different, but I'll show you after. Here, don't expect to see a high pyramid. Okay? This is not a city. It's a ceremonial center, like a mecca. It's a religious place. Only came here for ceremony, stay for 7 days, and after back to the city. Right? Okay? That's it. Was a house. Okay? A big house. On this house lived royalty people in stone, no? Kings, governors, high priests, smart people, musicians, art, you are. Mostly around the kitchen you find that stones on the back.